Welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix the issue if your iCloud storage is almost full. Okay, what you need to do is just go to the settings here and tap on the Apple ID over here, and then there's an iCloud option over here. Just tap on it, and after going to the iCloud option, you can see there are some apps listed over here which will be consuming the data. What you need to do, as in my case, it's actually a lot of free space because I've just bought the phone a few days back. So for example, if there is something like this, you have hundreds of photos and 4.5 GB is almost full and you need to clear up the space, you just need to tap on that app specifically from here, and you can see there's an option of manage storage from here. Just click on it, the manage storage. It will open up the display something like this. You can delete the data from the iCloud from here. Okay, you can review the files as well, but you can delete the data from the iCloud. It will be selectively delete and free up the iCloud storage, which it will be showing that is almost full. So that's how you can free up the space. If you need more information, just let me know and I'll make another video for you for better explanation. Thank you very much.